Day 0. We're here getting our forms ready. And me watching all the videos, I guess not paying attention, I thought the forms were metal, but they're actually a hard plastic. So we're getting them taped up so they'll hold the cement. Beautiful day in Shasta, Mount Shasta area. Hey, what a day, day 1, or actually this is day 2 for some of us. We got up this morning, we did a little bit of work on the preparing, getting ready, getting the tools ready, getting our forms ready. And then a carload of us, we went up to sightseeing. We went up to the Hedge waterfall, very beautiful. We went out to Castle Lake. Some of us took a swim. Now we're back at the, we'll say the compound, and our family is growing. More and more people are showing up, getting their tents and campsites set up. So it's gonna be a great weekend. All right, we're getting set up so we can start the work in the morning. Got our canopies up, we got our forms laid out. We cleaned them up, got them ready this morning. Here's where our mixer is going to be. This is going to create the foam. We're going to test it here in just a minute. That's the little magic box there. Got a generator and air compressor over there. That's it. Keep us out of the sun. We're going to be mixing bricks, stacking bricks. There's the secret recipe sauce right there. We got stucco, we got the soap, the aircrete, the mortar, and the foam. And John here, he knows all about this stuff. We're excited to get busy tomorrow. We're going to gather up at the house in a minute and do our open safety meeting, our grand welcome. An air compressor, generator.
Are these just rags? You can just put them under the chair.
Bring it over here. That's where you make sure you got the right consistency. It takes the water out. Turns it into foam and it goes back in. It's going to go into the cement and the foam. Then this aircrete.